Hi everybody, welcome. Today we are going to be making these cute little zipper pouches. I sell these at my craft shows, my psychic fairs, and these sell pretty well. So it's just a basic zipper pouch. And then I do have contrasting fabric on the inside. So what you're going to need to have this done, to make this, is you are going to need a zipper. I ended up buying 12-inch zippers and I ended up cutting them. And you're going to need two fabrics. I used 100% cotton that match, one for the outside, one for the inside. So you're going to cut your zipper at 9 inches, or you can buy a 9-inch zipper. Both the front and back fabric, so the main fabric and the contrasting fabric, you're going to need 9 by 7. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, with your zipper here, and you're going to need the outside fabric. You're going to line up your zipper on the top of your fabric, and then you're going to sew. You can pin to hold it if you like. I do not. Your choice. Once I have that sewn, I'll be right back. Alright, we've got this sewn. When you're sewing it, which I forgot to tell you guys, make sure you line up the right side of the fabric with the top of the zipper. So the zipper pull was here. So now we're going to do the other side of the zipper, which we are going to do the same thing. You're going to put it on there with the right side of the fabric, with the right side of the zipper. I line it up on the corners. And then we're going to sew. You can pin it if you like. I do not. So we're back after sewing the second part of the zipper. So you should end up with something like this. Now we're going to work on the inside of the inside of the fabric. So you're going to have the zipper up. You are going to take your fabric and you are going to put it wrong side to right side along the zipper on the opposite side. That way, after you sew it, that's the inside of your pouch. I'm going to sew that and I'll be back. Okay, now that I got my zipper, I want my contrasting side done. There it is. We're going to put the other side on. And this time you're going to put it down with the inside contrasting fabrics matching. Just like that. And now you're going to sew. Now that we got both sides sewn to the zipper, just to the last panel, you're going to fold it so the zipper is up, and you should have something like this. So this is the inside, it's the outside, and then I got my zipper. The next step that we're going to do is we are going to, I iron mine so it looks all nice here, and we are going to top stitch along each side. That way the fabric doesn't get in the way of the zipper. And now the top stitching is all done. About 1/4 of an inch. Now the next step you're going to do is you are going to take your zipper and pull it down just a little bit. That way we can flip it when we're going to sew it together. And you're going to take the front sides together and the back sides together. Now when you're doing this, I always start with the non-open side because it's easier for me. So you're going to take your zipper and fold this front side up. If you don't do that, your zipper will be all wobble-jonked. And I always start sewing from the inside pocket. So once you have that done, you can pin it around to keep it centered and safe, but I do not pin on this one. You're going to start here and you're going to sew all the way around on the inside. You're going to start on the inside and go all the way around, leaving 2 to 3 inches for us to turn out. Once I have that done, I'll be back. Alright, so we have top stitched all the way around, and I left about 2.5 inches, 3 inches of space to turn. So we're over halfway done now. Next, you're going to flip it inside out. Like this. You can cut the corners before you flip. You don't have to. It's up to you. I do not. This is why you wanted to have your zipper open a little bit so you can pull this out. Take your poking tool and poke out the corners. You don't have to do this. You can do it with your fingers, but I like to have the corner nice on the outside. Just like that. And then the last step you're going to do is you are going to, on the inside where our hole is, you are going to top stitch right there. And after you top stitch, you're going to flip it inside out. So after you top stitch it, make sure you back stitch too. It'll look like that, and that'll be on the inside so you won't be able to see it. You flip it inside out. Make sure everything's inside is nice and neat. And there you have it. Awesome zipper pouch. These are great for kids. I use them when I'm at the craft shows for money. The money fits perfectly in there. So the finished size is about 6 by 8. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.